Pax Ludens. Pax Ludens is a non-profit organization specialized in training and research on international conflict and crisis management. The mission of the organization is to help future decision-makers tackle complex international political dynamics and excel in conflict management. The core activities are described as the design and execution of seminars and simulation exercises based on real and current case studies in the field of international relations and conflict resolution. The programs offer challenge participants to explore various international political conflict scenarios and deal with crisis and conflict situations as events unfold. Key partners: the Clingendale Institute, the Hague Center for Strategic Studies, the Turkish Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Delft Technical University, the Netherlands Ministry of Defense Staff Training College, the University of Amsterdam, Webster University Leiden and London University College Utrecht, the University of Monte, Mexico Vrede van Utrecht. Simulations as learning tools. The world of international relations is demanding more in-depth knowledge about how and why international dynamics unfold in the way they do. The world today is more complex than ever before. The relationships governing inter- and interstate conflict management have led many to appreciate the multidisciplinary character of international relations. The challenge for teaching institutions is evident. What is the most adequate methods to stimulate effective learning processes? To connect disciplines in a new and meaningful way. Scenarios. Some example of the scenarios used are Greater Middle East Caucasus, Israeli-Palestinian conflict, good governance in Africa, UN Security Council. Publications: Mans and Shimshon. Knowledge creation and transfer in the military. Journal of International Negotiations. Publication forthcoming 2010. Mans, Shimshon, Saransky and Hilst. Babysitting or birdwatching. The role of supervision in IR simulation exercises. In organizing and learning through gaming and simulation, Igor Mayer and Hanik Mastic eds. 2008. Mans, Shimshon, Saransky and Hilst. How to enter ACT in conflict settings, the role of supervision in IR simulation exercises. In Igor Mayer and Hanik Mastic eds. 2007, Organizing and Learning Through Gaming and Simulation, Proceedings of Isaga. 2007, Eburin, Delft Mans and Shimshon. International Conflict Management, Analysis and Intervention Training Manual. Clingendale Institute and Pax Ludens. 2005. Saransky, Leonard, 1983, International Relations Games and Simulations. In the Guide to Simulations/Games for Education and Training, edited by Robert Horn and Ann Cleves. Beverly Hills College. Saransky, Leonard. 1980. The Play of Consciousness and Educational Praxis, a Phenomenology of Learning with the Middle East Conflict Simulation Game. USA, University of Michigan Ann Arbor.